In this video, I would like to show you how we can download and install a Cisco Packet Tracer application. First, you should have an account inside the Cisco Network Academy website, cisconetacad.com. And if you don't have account, you should have to register first inside the Cisco NetAcad website. Okay, so I will open from here. Again, I will open. You can type Cisco Packet Tracer, download. And you can see the Cisco Network Academy website. Okay, it will show the latest version of Packet Tracer as of now is version 8.2.2, and you should have an account. If you don't have an account, click on login and then you should register first. You should have to sign up first. I have already registered. I have already an account inside the Packet Tracer. So I will log in with that account now. My account is with another email ID. So I will log in again now. Cisco Packet Tracer, free download. The same option, version 8.2.2. You can click here on login. Click or type with the email or login with the Google account. Okay, now I have already been logged into the website. Now you can see here download Cisco Packet Tracer, the latest version. It leads into the resource hub. You can see in the resource hub the learning resources provided by Cisco, and you can see the different versions, the operating system supporting Cisco Packet Tracer options. So I will download now the version 8.2.2 for Windows 64-bit. The downloading has been started now. Anyway, I have already downloaded this one before, so I will open that now. You can see this is the exe file of the installation file of the Packet Tracer. You can double click on this, click yes for installation to be started, accept the agreement to show the installation path on your PC. Already accessed. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Okay, I will install again because previously I have one Packet Tracer. That is why it's showing like this. Anyway, I will install again into the same folder. Create a desktop shortcut. Okay, install. I will post the video for some time till completing this installation. Yeah, the installation is very direct and only click and continue options. It is very direct installation. Click on finish and you can launch from here. Click on finish. Also launching the application now. Yeah, our application installation is completed and it has been opened now. You can use, you can create different kind of scenarios as you want to design, implement, configure and testing purposes. All the devices are available here, such as routers, firewalls and other networking devices. It is very useful for the students. They want to practice different scenarios, and for the initial implementation testing purposes also. It is very amazing experience we can feel from this application. Thank you for watching the video.